Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fly a balloon above the airflow of an air purifier. You can do the similar stuff using a small ball above the hairdryer, for example a ping pong ball. It's the same explanation, and the explanation is the following. Okay, so now the explanation of a floating balloon. First of all, the flow is given with the black lines over here. I put the balloon over here in the middle. So the flow compensates the weight of the balloon, pushing it up, and the Earth's gravity field is pulling it down, but the flow compensated, so it's flowing. But if you move the balloon from one side to another side of the flow, then it's going back, so it's a stable position in the middle, because when you have a velocity, a fluid, it means that the static pressure is dropped, which means if you move your balloon out, the pressure inside is smaller than the pressure outside, and the atmospheric pressure push the balloon back. So if you move it in this direction, here the static pressure from atmosphere is higher, and it put back. This is called Bernoulli principle. It states that if you have a moving fluid, the sum of the static and moving pressure is the same, and because this is moving, it means the static pressure drops, which means if the balloon moves one direction, static pressure from outside is high, and it pushes the balloon inside the flow, so it's stable. That's how the balloon float inside the airflow. Okay, thank you.